Oh my god, guys, so much bubble wrap! Hey guys, it's Vess and welcome back to another unboxing. So this unboxing is finally here, guys. The books are finally here. It took like forever for these books to come, but they're all here. It's in a huge box, so I cannot show you the box yet. But I'm gonna go down below so that I'm gonna go sit on the floor and box it there, because honestly speaking, it's a huge box. It's not like huge, but it's heavy, and you know how paper is. Paper is just heavy. So yeah, definitely we'll be unboxing that. If you are new to the Celestial Pulse series or you want to get the books, my store is down below in the descriptions. It's squareup.com/store/Vesenia/designs. So definitely check that out. If you see anything here, even with like the pins and the trading cards and stuff like that, all that stuff is in my store. So you could definitely go there and help support. So yeah, guys, let's go down and handle the business. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm down on the floor, the hot floor. So yeah, this is the box. It's a freaking heavy box. I can't like move it or anything like that. So I was like, let me just put it on the floor next to me. And here we go. I got my trusty dusty utility knife. So pretty much good on that end. My husband cut drywall, so that's why it looks like that. You see all that nasty white stuff? Yeah. So yeah, cutting into the box. What I like to do is cut from the sides first, because if you just cut up from straight on top, you might hit your books. So that's what you don't want to do when you get boxes like this. So yeah, I'm cutting up the sides, and then I'll lift it up like this. And I like to lift it up and cut, because honestly speaking, I don't want to cut the book. So you just gotta like cut it and like have the tip of the blade like cut into it, because even though it's bubble wrapped and stuff, it will destroy the items. And I learned that from the retail, when you have to do bulk. So yeah, definitely learned that. All right, so bubble wrap, yay! Bubble wrap all over. So this looks like it's the 6th issue. So what I'm going to do is open that up. And he bubble wraps this 100 times. The person that I use is page by page. Definitely check out their Facebook. For those who are local in anywhere or in the United States, you can be able to print your stuff from him. He does a really amazing job. That's why I use him still. So yeah. Definitely check them out. More bubble wrap. Yeah, and then he treats your stuff with care, and you also get like the Printers Club thing, which is I think it's worth it, because you get a percentage off, and you get free shipping and free proofs and all that good stuff. Yeah, so this is kind of hard, but we're doing it. We're getting there. It's finally been revealed. So yes, here we go. Okay, this is the 6th issue, and again, guys, the books are in color, so you're missing out. So yeah, definitely that's going on. Honestly speaking, it looks pretty good to me, just flipping through some of it. I don't want to like keep flipping, because then but it looks like everything is good. Like there's no cutoffs or anything like that, which I'm very pleased about, because honestly speaking, sometimes it gets cut off and I'm like, dang, I should have fixed that before he printed 50 million of them. But yeah, so far so good on these. There's like a bulk load, so we got a good amount. I have a convention coming up soon, so when you see this video, I'll probably be done with the convention. So yeah, that was book 6. Oh, my voice. That was book 6. Now we're gonna go into the next one. So it seems like he likes to put the books in individual slots, I guess. So we got another one here. What I'm gonna do is, again, the same technique, because you don't want to cut into your books. Actually, what I want to do is I want to cut up the rest of the boxes open and, you know, just get that open, and then we just open it together. So give me like give me a minute. Alright, so I'm back. The boxes are open, so that's like half the time. Half the time, so I gotta cut that out. So yeah, guys, for this side, we got book 5 in the house. Got book 5 in the house. I'm trying to open it because, again, bubble wrap. I appreciate all this bubble wrap though. Like, this bubble wrap saves my book, so I'm not even mad. So yeah, book 5 in the flesh. Again, guys, book 5 is in color. You missing out? You missing out? Yeah, everything looks pretty much good in this. He printed out a lot. I ordered a lot, I guess, because honestly speaking, I wanted to have enough for Kickstarter and the convention, because a lot of people either they get book 1 or they go with the bundle, like the whole thing. I got some more book 6 in here, and being that we opened it, like you see, is more book 6. But being that we opened that last one, I'm not gonna reopen this one because it don't make no sense to me to do that. So I'm just gonna put this back in here with book 6 on top, because you know your girl got OCD. So yeah, that's just how it's gonna work. This one is book 3, I think. Oh my god. Yeah, it's book 3. It's book 3. We got that all in this shabam. And I think he mixed up book 2 along with this one, because if you can see, it's the next book over. So yeah, definitely underneath that. And we got a whole bunch of book 1s. Definitely book 1s, because a lot of people love book 1 to get because they want to sample it. And I'm like, dude, you could read it online, but it's okay. I'm cool with that. You know, I am cool with the love that's given. So yeah, after you take out the bubble wrap, this is book 1. When it comes down to these chapters, they're in black and white because I thought black and white was the right way to go. I'm in the process of coloring these actually, because when I do the full book, you know, I want everything to be consistent. Why not, right? So this one, I'm opening it up. It is book 4. Book 4 is the same way with the black and white, and that's because I thought that, hey, black and white was the way to go. But yeah, guys, those are in the process of getting colored, and this is like a slow process. I might be doing it on stream soon, because you know those are like the old books, so I'm not really worried on anything. This is the second book, so opening it up, I don't want it to like mess up the audio. So yeah, second book, and this is mixed up with some of book 4. Yeah, this is mixed up with some of book 4. So boom, that's there for that. Dang it, all this books. This is book 2 or 3. This is book 3. Yep, book 3 in the flesh. I think he did a really good job. Like, honestly speaking, his quality is really good. Like, you hear that? That's good paper. The printing is good and clean too. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not crazy. They do stick together, and that's fine because, you know, it means it's fresh out the printer. So yeah, that's basically what I have working out here, which is really good. You know what I'm saying? I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. And again, this is book 2, and that's just self-explanatory. So yeah, guys, let me just grab each issue, I guess. So finally, book 6, book 5. I sound like one of those like, what is his name? The Dracula thing from Sesame Street. He's like, ooh, four, a four, 3, 2, and 1. So yeah, guys, 6 issues. Can you believe that? It's been so like, this is like a fun adventure because you know, a lot of you posters did support. You know, you guys supported the whole Celestial Post series, and you know, we got 6 books out. That, look at this thing. If I were to make it to like one solid book, look at how thick it will be. That's like actually the volume should be over soon. Like, you see how thick that is? But yeah, I think I have 2 more volumes before I can like consider it to be over. Like, so it could be like one book, I think. But yeah, guys, look at all 6, man. That's a lot comparing to like me starting off, you know, YouTube consistently. I could say 6 books out of that year and a half. That's not bad. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm working on the 7th book. That book, I've already sketched it, so all it needs to do is be lined and colored and putting in the word bubbles and stuff. But the dialogue is already written, so you know, I'm not worried about anything. Look at the back. The back looks absolutely stunning, like always. And yeah, guys, like, I'm super excited. It's like a great ride. Like, I love the way that this is turning out. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do for webtoons. Like, I know I have 6 books out. I always wanted it to be, you know, pay as you go, because honestly speaking, this is like my living. This is what I do, and I don't want to like give everything out for free, because you know, I work really hard. Like, I really work hard, and I want people to like enjoy it and also support and be there for this like journey. And a lot of you posters have been there for this journey, and I thank you guys a lot, because honestly speaking, this would not be going if it wasn't for you guys actually, you know, giving me the oomph to do so. Like, you know, the first Kickstarter, it wasn't so great. The second one was awesome. It was like a nice kickoff, and then this one that came up was awesome. And you know, we have that, we have Posty pins, we have things going on here, and I really truly thank you guys so much for just being there and helping out and supporting what I want to do, my dream, basically. So yeah, you guys are awesome, and you continuously astonish me. So yeah, I'm gonna go back up on the hot chair and close out. So yeah, guys, back in the hot chair. So yeah, a lot of books, a lot of entries and stuff like that. Again, if you want to get the books, it is it's squareup.com/Vesenia /store/Vesenia Designs. I'm gonna put it right here because I mess things up. But yeah, you could be able to get all 6 issues plus the Posty pin. If you look over here, the Posty pin, I'm gonna be putting that up as a bundle because it deserves to be a bundle, but it might be bundled with only book 6 because I closed it off like with the bundle with book 5. But we'll see what happens. I might just make it a full bundle so that the people who are new, they can get a percentage off. You know what? I'm definitely gonna do that. So definitely check out the store for that. It should be up. I got book 6 all the way to book 1, so they came out beautiful and everything. 5 and 6 is in all color. These are getting processed to be colored. Trust me. Your girl's trying to hook you up. So yeah, exciting news. I am definitely really excited because now I get to send off the bundles. You're seeing this in the future, so I'm done with this, but I'm getting orders, trust me, because when people see them, they're like, yo, Vess. So definitely, guys, check out my store. Is down below. And for merch like this, Celestial Pulse merch and Vesenia Design t-shirts, definitely check out Redbubble and Rage On. That's down in the descriptions also. And you could be there to get apparel wear, which is affordable. Rage On is not as affordable because it does the wraparound. Redbubble is affordable because it's just the front print, and shirts usually come out like $25. And on top of that, they always give a 20% off sale if you sign up, or you signed up to their newsletter and they give you stuff in general. So definitely check that out. And if you want to become more, like if you buy the books and you want to be more of a supporter and, support what I do in general, I have a Patreon. So you could definitely check that out and hang out with the Patreonic posters there. I post enough, I think. I post as I go because sometimes, I have things to do, so it's like but I post like really important things, or like sketches or things that I'm doing with Celestial Pose. So it's stuff that the outside world hasn't seen, and you guys could definitely be part of that. So definitely check it out. Again, guys, if you like this video, hit that like, and if you're new here and you're like, Vess, that was pretty decent, and you checked me out and you like me, go ahead and hit that subscribe and become one of our family members. Enjoy what I do here. I do art content, I do unboxings, I do artist talks, and I do a plethora of art things, so definitely hang out with us. Again, guys, I stream every Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time and Saturdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely come down with your jokes, come have fun with us and talk. I usually have my Discord up, so we do voice talking and all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, definitely. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.